Welcome to this 5-minute guide to How to Read a Book by Mortimer Adler and Charles Van Doren. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a dense text or wondered how to get more out of the books you love, this summary will share simple steps to turn reading into a powerful, enriching skill. 1. Why reading well matters. Reading isn't just about absorbing words, it's a conversation between you and the author. The better you read, the more ideas you can grasp, question, and apply. Think of a great reader as a curious traveler. They explore new lands, ask locals for directions, and build their own map of understanding. 2. The 4 levels of reading. Adler and Van Doren describe 4 levels that build on one another. Elementary reading, recognizing words and basic comprehension, what most of us learned in grade school. Inspectional reading, skimming and pre-reading to grasp a book's structure and main ideas quickly. Analytical reading, a thorough, disciplined read where you engage deeply, asking questions and taking notes. Syntopical reading, reading across several books on the same topic, comparing viewpoints and constructing your own insights. Each level takes you deeper, like diving from a sunlit surface into the vibrant coral reef below. 4. Inspectional reading, getting the gist. Inspectional reading is your reconnaissance mission. Spend a few minutes reading the table of contents and index, skimming chapter headings and summaries, scanning a few pages in each chapter. This fast scan answers, what's the author's main argument? How is the book organized? It's like previewing a movie trailer before committing to the full feature. 5. Analytical reading, entering the conversation. Analytical reading is where you roll up your sleeves. The authors recommend 3 core questions for every book. What is the book about as a whole? Summarize the main theme in a sentence or 2. What is being said in detail and how? Identify key terms and arguments and note how they connect. Is the author credible and do I agree? Weigh the evidence and form your own judgment. Use a pencil or sticky notes to mark passages, jot down questions in the margins, and paraphrase complex ideas in your own words. This active engagement turns reading from a passive hobby into a dynamic dialogue. 6. Syntopical reading, building your own picture. When you tackle multiple books on one subject, you're doing syntopical reading. Here's how to start. Compile a list of relevant works. Extract and categorize key terms and concepts. Formulate your own questions that go beyond any single author's scope. Imagine you're curating an art exhibition. Each painting, book, contributes its unique perspective, and your job is to arrange them so visitors see the bigger picture. 7. Tips for active reading. Ask questions before, during, and after you read. Who, what, why, and how. Summarize out loud or in writing to test your understanding. Discuss with others. Teaching is a powerful way to learn. Set a reading schedule to make it a habit, even if it's just 10 minutes a day. Wrap up. How to read a book shows that great reading is a skill you can learn by moving through 4 levels, asking the right questions, and actively engaging with texts. Whether you're diving into a novel, a history text, or a technical manual, these methods will help you understand more, think critically, and enjoy every page. So pick up your next book with confidence and happy reading.